Hi, you guys. Stacey Carnoliti here, your agent of change, talking about the power of association today. If you know where you're going, then you need to hook up with people that are already where you want to be. The power of association is unbelievable. It's truly unbelievable. And with the internet, you can hook up with anybody you want to nowadays. And that's so exciting when you realize that you can't do this thing alone, that no matter how hard you try, you're not an island. You are so connected to each and every person on this earth. It's just amazing. So when you hook up with people that are going where you're going or are already at, where you're trying to get to, it's like having a vacuum. I mean, literally, they're encouraging you and cheering you on and pulling you in the right directions in life. So surround yourself with people that will support your vision, that will encourage who you are, and will spur you on to walk out the will of God for your life. It's not going to happen by yourself. You're not an island, and you are not put here to live unto yourself. You literally have contributions and gifts that are supposed to be given to other people. So when you come alongside others, you're going to be blessing them just as much as they'll be helping you. So surround yourself with the right people and listen to the right voices and get rid of everything that's not helping you. If it's not helping you, it's probably hurting you or hindering you. All right, we'll be back tomorrow. Tomorrow is day 30. It's our last day together. This has been such a blessing, so I hope it's blessed you. Put your comments below. Let me know if it has, and I'll be back tomorrow. Bye.